if you're looking for some pet glove wipes for your dog or cat, you're going to want to check these out. Really like these a lot. So the pack's really easy to open. You literally are just going to open it from right over here. Just open it from right over here. You're just going to pull this out. I got the 3-pack, so they sent 3 different ones. You're going to get 12 pieces in each one. So this is exactly what they look like right over here. So you got a nice big glove. This will fit pretty much anyone's hand. So you don't have to worry about that. And then you're just going to put this on just like that. And it's not too moist. It's not too liquidy right over here. And then you're just going to brush your pet and your dog and kind of give them a little freshening. This is a coconut scent. So if you look right over down here too, it also just reseals really nicely. So you don't have to worry about them staying open or anything like that. This is going to be, they are lick safe, which is really great. Just a ton of benefit. They even have the instructions right over here on the back if how to apply them, what to do with your pet, and the best use cases. So if you are looking for some great pet gloves to clean your dog or cat that aren't like too overwhelming, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending these over so I could do this for you.